I am Professor TK Ramesh, Chairperson of the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, a place where circuits, code, and creativity come together to shape the future. We offer two undergraduate programs in engineering. The first one is B.Tech in Electronics and Communication Engineering, ECE. This program offers electronic circuits, communication systems, and embedded technologies, ideal for students who want to understand how devices connect and communicate. The second program is B.Tech in Electronics and Computer Engineering, EAC, suitable for students who enjoy to study both hardware and software. At the postgraduate level, we offer M.Tech in VLSI Design, and for those passionate about research, we offer Ph.D. program in engineering. The department has well-equipped laboratories for digital and analog electronics, communication systems, RF and microwave engineering, computer systems, and VLSI design. All these laboratories help students to gain knowledge in the key areas of electronics and communication engineering. Our faculty members are highly qualified, experienced, and friendly, guiding students in academics, projects, internship, and research. The department has 4 specialized research centers in the area of radar systems, 5G communication, nanoelectronics, and microwave sensing. The students will have the opportunity to work in the cutting-edge technologies. To reduce the gap between industry and academia, we arrange industrial talks and seminars. Some of our core subjects are co-taught by industry experts. We have a dedicated corporate and industry relationship department who gives continuous training to our students and help our students to get into their dream jobs.